I'm Mr. Wakeland. I am the Space Lab instructor here at Goldsboro Elementary Magnet School. I would think critical thinking and problem solving skills are probably the most needed skills, because with those skills, all of the other skills from understanding how to use a robot, a computer, come naturally. I also think teamwork is another skill that is really important, because learning to work together, because like when I talk with the students, I take the time and I explain, it's like when we talk about the Artemis II mission that goes up, or when I reference the International Space Station, I focus on how it's a group of collaborative individuals working together.
Honestly, experiments are pretty fun because you can use real-world objects to explain what you're learning about in books and videos. My favorite thing about Space Lab is probably where we can learn about space while playing Minecraft, because you can be on the moon and learn all about it.
My favorite thing is the lunar area. We get to sit here on the moon and we get to look at the stars and different constellations and learn all about the moon.
I want to work with robots because I believe in the near future robots will be like a part of our natural life. I just want to learn more about it and to like get a head start in the future, you know?
I feel that if I do like robots and maybe VR, I kind of feel special about the school, that the school has many things that we can learn about and help us go to middle school.
When I grow up, I want to be a food chemist, and considering how satellites are being used for GPS that we use every day, space will be integrated with other sciences soon in the future.
Whether it's an activity where they have to create something or they're learning about something. A while ago, back when we talked about the first Artemis mission, I talked about the idea of going back to the moon, and it didn't seem to really register for the students. So I created a lot of activities where they actually had to interact. I had a giant moon map where the students were able to see the moon, and some other activities where they were on my Planetscape, where they used robots to move around, to explore. I would say never give up. I would say always work on your creative skills, your critical thinking skills, and your communication skills, because that will get you much further in life in enhancing and working with those particular skills.